Hello! Today for our tutorial, we will explore how to take a PICO-formatted clinical query, break it down into separate concepts, and search in the Medline via Ovid SP database. This database provides information on medicine, nursing, veterinary medicine, allied health, and preclinical sciences. This database was created by the U.S. National Library of Medicine, which makes it a great option when searching information for a PICO-formatted clinical query. The PICO clinical query we are using today is, in a post-surgical patient with the intervention of an indwelling catheter compared to no catheter, the outcome is reduced incidence of urinary tract infection. Once you have accessed Medline via Ovid SP from your library website, we will then click on Advanced Search. We will also make sure that there is a check mark in the box labeled Map Term to Subject Heading. Ovid uses mesh subject headings as its controlled vocabulary. This will allow you to use lay terms and map to the medical terminology used as the preferred term when searching the database. We will execute our first search concept, which is our patient. We will type in post-surgical patient. We will now look at the choices we have for our mesh subject headings. It seems the best term to use for post-surgical patient is postoperative care. We can click on the scope note on the right side of the page to get a brief summary of the term if we're unsure. This seems correct, so we will continue with this term. We will now click Continue to use postoperative care as our subject heading. Then we will click Continue again past the subheadings for postoperative care, since we would like to use the broad term and not refine our search further. Now we will search our second concept, which is the intervention. In our search box, we will type indwelling catheter. Remember to click Advanced Search and make sure there is a check mark in the Map Term to Subject heading box. Catheters, indwelling is our mesh subject heading or controlled vocabulary. And we have the option of either clicking Explode or Focus. For our search, we will click Focus. This will tell the database search engine that we are interested in limiting our research specifically to documents containing the mesh subject heading catheters, indwelling as its main focus. Focus means less or limiting to, and Explode means more or including all related terms. We will now click Continue. We will click Continue past the subheadings for catheters, indwelling. Now we'll move on to our third concept, which is the outcome of our PICO, since there is nothing to search for our comparison. We will search for urinary tract infection under Advanced Search and with Map Term to Subject heading checked. Urinary tract infection is our mesh subject heading, so we will click Continue. We will click Continue again past the subheadings. If we look at our search history, we can see all three of our searches. We now want to tell the database to combine our searches. We will select all three of our concepts and then combine them using the Boolean operator AND. This will tell the database search engine to combine postoperative care and catheters indwelling and urinary tract infections. Remember, AND means less, so we are refining our search, and OR means more when using Boolean logic in a database. So, in a postoperative patient with the intervention of an indwelling catheter, what is the reduced incidence of urinary tract infection? We have found a curated list of 13 publications that are relevant to our PICO. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in explaining how to use the database Medline via Ovid SP. If you have any questions about databases, mesh subject headings as a controlled vocabulary, or Boolean operators, please visit your library. A library information technician would be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching.